How to make this trending and aesthetic fashion reels using your phone? Let's go. But wait, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such editing tutorials. This really keeps me motivated for making new videos. If you do not have Capcut app installed on your phone, do check out my Telegram channel for the video links on how to install Capcut in both iPhone or Android. Now let's begin. Take some pictures of you at the same location, always changing the pose a little. Now open up the Capcut app, hit New Project, and select all your favorite photos. Up to 7 is good, and once you're done with the selection, hit Add on the bottom. Now, in the Capcut app, all you want to do is select the clips and trim them down to around 0.4 seconds. Do that with every clip. Once you're done, it looks like this. You can now export this video. To add the aesthetic effect, open a new project in Capcut. Select the video you just created. Click on the video and scroll all the way over to Motion Blur. Pull up the blur all the way up and the blend as well. Wait for the effect to apply. Once it is done, it looks like this. Export the video, and that's it. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out any new video. See you guys in the next one.